In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Tradingview on Windows PC or laptop. By the end, you'll have the official desktop app installed and ready to use, so you can enjoy smoother charts, easier window management, and a distraction-free workspace compared to a browser. Let's start by heading to the official source. Open your preferred web browser and go to tradingview.com/desktop. Using the official site ensures you are getting the most up-to-date and secure version of the app. Once the page loads, you'll see options for different platforms. Since we're on Windows, focus on the Windows section. This page is designed to detect your operating system and present the right download option, keeping things simple and safe. Next, click the Download for Windows button. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. It's a small trusted package from Tradingview, and downloading directly from their site helps avoid third-party installers or bundled software. If your browser asks where to save the file, the default downloads folder is perfect. When the download finishes, locate the Tradingview MES6 file. You can open it directly from your browser's downloads list, or open File Explorer and go to your downloads folder to find it there. The MES6 format is a standard Windows app package, which helps provide a clean, reliable installation. Double-click the file to run it. If Windows displays a quick security or confirmation prompt, that's normal for new app installations. You'll now see an installation window. Click Install. Windows will handle the rest, and the process usually takes just a moment. Stay on this screen until it completes. Closing it early could interrupt the setup. Once it's done, you'll see confirmation that the app is installed. The Tradingview app will open automatically after installation. From here, sign in with your account to sync your existing layouts, watch lists, alerts, and indicators. Signing in ensures your workspace looks the same across devices, and it lets you access your saved chart settings right away. If you prefer to adjust settings later, you can do that from within the app once you are signed in. That's all there is to it. Visit the official desktop page. Download the Windows installer, run the tradingview.ms6 file. Click Install and then launch and sign in. If you ever need to revisit the installer, you can keep it in your Downloads folder. But once the app is installed, you can launch it from your Start menu like any other program. Enjoy your new desktop setup and smoother charting experience.